Alright, hello folks. I am at Fonferek Glen. There's one car leaving and one car coming in. So at this moment I'm the only one here, but that's going to end shortly. This is just a quick hiking video. I've come here once again to do a ministry video. But I don't know how well that's going to go because I'm hoping to get to the place by myself, but that might not happen. I've never come here in winter. Usually the stream only flows during spring or in rainfalls, but I have seen videos on YouTube by others of the frozen waterfall. It's a small spring, but over time it develops a quite large waterfall. We're almost to it already. This is the overlook. Oh, it's not frozen yet. So this might change things. I was hoping to go down there. So I guess I'm just going to stop by and show this. Alright, I'm going to move on to Nashoda Park. So this is not what I was expecting. It's still too warm. And there is definitely a lot more water here than I expected. Alright folks. We might have more hiking today. No promises. We'll see you later, hopefully. Bye-bye.